the U.S. Navy aircraft carrier USS Harry S. Truman collided with a cargo ship while maneuvering at night in the Mediterranean Sea. Preliminary reports indicate that the incident occurred in open waters when the merchant vessel unexpectedly changed course. The carrier's crew attempted to avoid the collision, but contact was ultimately unavoidable. Both vessels sustained minor damage, but no injuries were reported among the crew. The U.S. Navy has launched an investigation to determine the cause of the accident. USS Harry S. Truman was on a mission supporting regional stability. After an assessment of its condition, the carrier is expected to continue its operational duties.